Well, change is on the horizon for a volunteer state as when it comes to new law. There's a brand new law that's going into effect this year. We're going to tell you how it could change your entire routine out there. As a matter of fact, we've got a guest on the line to tell us a little bit more about that brand new law. You see, a judge has issued an injunction on Monday saying that there is more time that is needed to make a decision when it comes to the hemp law and the hemp law industry here in the state of Tennessee. That hemp law has made it so that a lot of people don't feel like hemp can be grown here safely, but a judge has stepped in and made sure an injunction has been put down so something like that is going to continue on as far as the growth of the industry is concerned. We're joined right now by Cynthia Cabrera. She's the Chief Strategy Officer at Hometown Hero. She's also a member of the Tennessee Growers Coalition. Cynthia, good morning. Thank you for joining us. Your group was one of the two people or two organizations who filed for this injunction. Why did you do that?
Well, thank you for having me. Good morning. It was a really important thing. So the flower industry, the THCA flower industry in Tennessee is really quite a big industry. There are over 3,000 stores that sell it. In July of 2023, I think the tax revenue alone on that was over $16 million. So obviously more than now. It's a very big industry and it needed to be protected.
So how would this new law, if it did happen, and again, there's been an injunction put in place here, so it won't for right now, but if it did go into place, what would it have done to your particular industry?
Well, it would have made it impossible for all those retailers to continue selling those products, right? And there were actually two injunctions filed addressing two different things, but the law, the way it is written right now, would have made it impossible for these people, these businesses to continue selling, and it would have made it impossible for consumers to access the products if they wanted them.
Now, there's a reason why there was a law put into place to begin with. There are some people who feel like the hemp industry or hemp in general is dangerous. They feel like it's a gateway drug. How do you respond to critics of the hemp industry?
Well, I would say these are adult products. They're age gated, meaning 21 and over. There are controls in place to ensure that they are for adults who want them only, and that should be enough, right? Alcohol is sold, cigarettes are sold, and they're sold with age gates. So it's basically the same thing. These are adult products, and they need to be made, there needs to be access for adults. So this is handled.
All right, Cynthia Cabrera, thank you so much for joining us this morning. We certainly do appreciate it. And good luck moving forward here. We'll continue to follow the story here on Fox 17 News this morning.
Thank you.